say?
I'm going to video it just a little bit.
Are you videoing now?
Yeah. Opening the beehive. The bees have been inside all day.
Ooh, they're ready.
Big storm destroyed everything around them. Hopefully that'll help them reorientate themselves. Bees are coming out. Well, they're not gonna. Ooh, they're not gonna be happy.
No.
Did you pull the door open on both?
Yep. Are they doing big circles to reorientate? Looks like they are.
Yeah. These are not your mama's bees, but they're very nice bees. They had to be forcefully relocated, which is going to be interesting to see how they'll do, but hopefully they'll do fine.
They're gonna be fine.
Okay.